and gentlemen, lamps and light bulbs, crucified croissants, pompous pepperonis, Susan, tantalizing tarantulas, and bacon syrup bees. You better buckle your headphones, because we are back with the wacky news. In recent news, there is a rise of happiness in the countries of Kenya.
That isn't correct.
That's what I have for it. In recent news, there is plastic in the ocean on the shores of Kenya.
No. Stop. Here, that's the...
Oh. This says birds are taking over.
Yes. It's true. It's true.
Michael.
We have received reports from around the United States of America that in fact birds are now the dominant species. In fact, rampant bird attacks have been occurring across the country with numerous deaths counted. The only way to survive is to never leave your home in fear that birds will come out of the gutters, down from the skies, and out of your friends' dead bodies. I've just gotten word that not only are the birds killing, but they are also zombifying their prey. If you see a human turned into a bird, run away, and never stop. Because if you don't run, the birds will...
Run! Save yourself! Run! Hide. Whew.